Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make key lime pie. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then to make the graham cracker crust in a large plastic bag, add the graham crackers and crush them using a rolling pin. Then add them into a medium bowl and add in the brown sugar and melted butter and mix them together until they're well combined. Then press it into an 8 or 9 inch pie pan. Make sure you press it really well so it holds together. Then bake it in the preheated oven for about 7 minutes until it's set. Then once it's done, remove it from the oven and set it aside to cool. Then turn the oven temperature down to 350. Then to make the filling in a medium bowl, add the sweetened condensed milk, sour cream, lime zest, then juice and strain the limes into a liquid measuring cup. If you don't have key limes, a great substitute is to use half lime juice and half lemon juice. Then add the juice into the rest of the mixture and mix them together until they're well combined. Then pour it into the cooled graham cracker crust and bake it in the oven for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, remove it from the oven and let it cool. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 3 hours. Then to make the whipped cream, in a small bowl, add the heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract, and whip it until it reaches stiff peaks. Then spread it over the top of the chilled pie. Then finish it off by adding some lime zest to the top. And that's how to make key lime pie. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.